Hey guys, it's your girl Dominique Monroe and welcome back to my channel. I'm just joking, that's not really my intro, but that's just how I like doing it lately. So today I'm shooting a little quick unboxing video for you guys. The month of March is almost over and I've been out of town. I just got back and I have a couple packages, nothing major, you know, just my tea bag and my Boxycharm Boxyluxe. I'm super excited. I have yet to open it. Ooh. And let's get started. But before we get started, let me just shout out Huda Beauty, okay? Because I got your girl bullets, okay? And the color I'm wearing right now is Interview. Now let me tell you, I've been wearing this color for like 4 days straight. It is amazing. So moisturizing on your lips. It's amazing. It feels amazing on your lips. So shout out to you. I got 4 more and I will do a video on those lipsticks, but just want to give a quick little shout out. Now let's open this box and see what I got. So got my little knife, about to open it. Ooh, ooh, child. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh, this one's cute. It says La Vic en Rose. I believe that's what that says. Amazing. Ooh. Oh, now right off the bat, I got a little makeup bag. So exciting. Now, if you guys didn't know, this is a monthly subscription box, and it's usually, I believe, $19.99. It's the price of the regular monthly box will be in the description box below, but this one was $49, $49.99 for this Boxyluxe. But it's well worth it. You get so much for the money. It's amazing. So I got this makeup bag. So cute. Look, gotta open it some more. Which I needed one so bad because the one I just had died on your girl. Died. Zip fell off so quick. I'm trying to tell you. So this bag, let's see. In case is 20 bucks by itself. 20 bucks by itself. Like, come on now. Ooh, we got some iconic eyebrow cushion. Okay, in the color medium. What else? Let me open this. We got Lilly lashes. I love Lilly. And this is GAIA? I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Let's see. We got some Becca. This is the color Tulip. I'm assuming this is lipstick. Yep, this is lipstick. So that's, wait, let me just tell you right quick. The iconic London eyebrow cushion was $40 by itself. That's what I'm saying. Like this in that bag, damn near covered the whole Boxyluxe. Stop playing with your girl. Keep sending them. Boxycharm. So, and then the Becca Cosmetics, that was $24 for that. And then the Lilly lashes, that is, I believe they're $24.99. Like, come on. Like, this is, I don't even know how much that is so far, but it's a lot. Okay, we got some Odana Modern Love, Deborah Lippmann nail polish. Amazing. And that is 20 bucks for that. We got, ooh. It Confidence in a Cream. Ooh, Confidence in a Cream. I know this is expensive. This heavy. You know heavy stuff is expensive now. $48. You know what? You could have just gave me this and covered the cost of this box. I'm just saying. Let's see what else I got. Okay. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brighten Kill Off Mask. Amazing. this is $34. Like, y'all stop playing with me. Now, you know, I love some COVERFX. Your girl loves some COVERFX. This is the PERFECTOR face palette. Stop. Like, it's got a highlighter, a brightener, another highlighter, a blush, finishing powder, and a contour. Are you serious? This is $45. Like, y'all better stop.
It's more. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Morphe 15D Day Slayer eyeshadow palette. Y'all. You know what? I'm done. I'm just gonna get up. This is $16. Okay? 16. One more. And then the box is empty, see? So we got some MODA, or is it MODA? MODA. Powder and soft glow brushes. Ain't nothing without brushes, okay? This is amazing. This is $34. So in my box, I just threw the thing, darn it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. You get 10 things in the March. I can't believe I just now opening this. That's amazing. Thank you, Boxyluxe. I really appreciate it. My phone will stop ringing. Who tell me talk to you? Nobody. All right. Let's open up this Ipsy bag. This is also a monthly subscription thingy mabobber. I think I paid like $10 for this. So this is $10, and I believe the Boxycharm regular one is $20. Something like that. So off rip, I got a bag. Oh snap, I got a bag. This is cute. So I got 2 bags today. And it says, and off she went to change the world.
And off I went. I'm changing the world.
I got a brush off rip, and this is Chloe. I'm lying. Chic, my bad. Blush brush. Let's open this. Let's see. I got some Man-Eater Tarte. I believe this is, yeah, mascara. Some mascara. I got some Disco Kitten peel-off mask. So another one. These are like little ones. These are not full sizes, which is okay for the price. And then I got some Chiate London Lip Luster. Amazing. Lord and Berry. I believe this is an eyeliner or something. And then it says, wait, there's more. Okay, so it just tells me the stuff that I got. So mascara, brush. Oh, this is the eye pencil, and lip and peel off mask. So I got about 5 things in there. I appreciate you. Thank you, Ipsy. I usually just give this stuff to my daughter. I'll take what I want and then give the rest to her. She loves that. But your girl's really, really excited for my Boxycharm Boxyluxe box, and I will be doing another video where I'll be using some of the products in it. And I just wanted to do this really quick so you can see. You guys let me know what you got in your Boxyluxe box, if you got one, and even in your what is this again? Ipsy bag. Sorry. Thank you for tuning in, and continue to support your girl. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also hit that notification bell button so you know when your girl's putting out new content. Okay?